Welcome to Learning League.
Hi friends!
Hi friends. I don't know what we're doing.
We are talking about weather this week. So
We're doing weather and we're pretending it's blue. It's rain.
we could do blue if you want, but we are going to make rain. How does rain work?
Because you put clouds and when they get so heavy they drop down.
You're so right. So
We're gonna make all of these colors, all of these rain colors, all of them.
yes, I'll show you in just a minute, but let's talk about some rain. So
Rain happens because it rains and there's rain clouds and they start to rain very hard and they do that.
yes. So what happens is all of the
Rain,
water.
water.
Sophie, let me say it, okay? All of the water that's in the ocean, on the ground, in lakes, gets evaporated into the sky. The clouds take that gas, turn it into water droplets. And when the water gets so heavy, it rains. Okay? So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do shaving cream for our clouds. All right? So we're gonna put some shaving cream over our water, and then Sophia's gonna take the food coloring and drop it in so we can watch it rain. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Here we go.
Put a lot.
Shake it. There we go. There's some clouds.
Put a lot of clouds.
A lot of clouds.
Oh, it's evaporating.
Okay. Now, do you want to do one color each, or do you want to mix colors?
I want to do two colors each.
2 colors each. All right.
So red.
Can you see me over the clouds?
Me too.
Okay. So you want to do these 2 color mix?
And these two for the.
Okay. So let's do the one right here first.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I do it first?
You want to do red first? Okay. Drop a couple. Oh.
Is it evaporating?
We gotta wait for a little bit to see if it goes down, okay? Now do some yellow.
Okay. I'm gonna do it wrong.
Alright, I think we're good. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Do you guys see it?
Rain.
It's raining. Yellow and red. And what does that make? Yellow and red together make orange.
Orange.
Look at how pretty it is.
Oh, it's going to the very bottom.
That is really cool. Okay, let's do the blue.
Can I go?
You could do one more dot. Good job. Okay. Ooh, let's do the blue and the green now.
Still doing.
Do you guys see the orange at the bottom?
Still doing it.
Yeah. It's gonna do that for a while because it's raining.
Oh, yellow one.
Okay, here's the green.
Can I do a lot of dots?
Yep. That's good. Perfect. And blue. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's good. Good job. Let me see those so I can put the
look. Guys,
There it
I'm gonna
goes.
put some more.
Okay, just one more drop. Okay. I think it's good. You've got a really good rain. That one looks like rain because rain sometimes is blue. Let's just wait and see what happens to it.
Look, there's yellow too.
Yeah.
There's just yellow.
This one's really cool. So I have a question. Why is the shaving cream floating?
Because the clouds.
Do you, well, yes, but do you know the difference between floating and sinking?
I'm trying to make it sink.
Yeah. Let's just wait and see what happens.
That one is
So
going to-
the reason is because the shaving cream is lighter than water, and so it stays on the top. When something is heavier than water, it sinks to the bottom.
like liquid is